Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive all your emails in Gmail at once. This is a great way to clear out a crowded inbox without actually deleting anything. So let's get started. First things first, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, you should be looking at your main inbox. Now, look for the small checkbox at the very top left corner right above your list of emails. Click it and you'll instantly select everything you see on that page, usually around 50 emails. Uh, but here's the trick. If you have more than 50 emails, a little banner will pop up at the top saying something like, all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Next to that, you'll see an option to select all conversations in inbox. Click that and boom, you've got every single email highlighted at once. With everything selected, look just above your emails for a row of icons. Find the one that looks like a little file folder with a downward arrow. That's the archive button. Click it and just like that, your inbox is cleared. Don't worry, these emails aren't deleted. They're just moved out of sight. You can still find them anytime by typing a keyword or email address into the Gmail search bar. And yeah, if you ever change your mind, just open that email, then hit the move to inbox button at the top. That puts it right back where it was, and that's it. You've archived all your Gmail emails at once, giving yourself a much cleaner inbox without losing anything important. Try doing this every so often to keep things neat and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.